In this video, we're going to take a look at ticker symbol ORCL, and that's going to be Oracle. We're having trouble here with this 164 area. We have to see if we can overcome that, turn that resistance into a support. Above that, we're going to be looking at this 9-day EMA, currently trading at 168.39. Above that, a little hiccup here at the 175s, but really we're more worried about this 178 resistance in here. But all in all, not a terrible day in here. It could have been a whole lot worse, especially the way everything tanked and how everything's moving with the IV so high inside of Oracle. You have an IV rank of 100 in here. So that's the highest that you're going to get as far as premiums go in Oracle, and highest your volatility is going to be, right? So your IV rank in here is 100, but really only a $4 down day today compared to what it could have been. It could have been a whole lot worse, especially a couple trading sessions ago when you had that $10 drop in here. So it looks like everybody is kind of keeping earnings next week, which is next Monday, in the back of their mind. So maybe they're not trying to tank this just yet. They don't want to price anything just yet. They don't want to have a big dump and then a run up way too quickly, right? They're trying to price it in just right so that everybody can kind of take their money when they can. But support wise, what are we doing down here? We're kind of in no man's land, but it looks like we got saved the last trading session down here at the 160s, and then today we got saved by the 161s. So perhaps the 162s that we closed at today, maybe that might be turning into our new support, right? You're going to do a little $1 up increments each day as support, but probably more or less it's going to be that 161 area as a nice support for us. But below that, it is going to be this 159, 160 area, and the 200 SMA is going to come up and meet us here. So you can see how far away this 9-day EMA has been run away from the 200 SMA. So we need to kind of again revert back to the mean, get back to where we were, consolidate, and then slowly work our way up into earnings next week. But we have to wait on news, see how this is going to trade inversely with everything else, right? All your other tech. What does it care? What moves, right? Is it going to trade with Tesla and things like that? AME doesn't really care what Tempest does. You know what I mean? Oracle's kind of its own thing. So earnings might save it from another vicious dump, or at least do like it did today, where it's only a $4 down day, where it could have been a whole lot worse. But we're going to have to wait and see. IV rank, we did say it is at its highest level. And that's pricing in right around a $6 move by this Friday. You go out to next week. Everybody's pricing in right around a $15 expected move. And that is going to contain your earnings cycle. You do have earnings on March 10th in there. If you go out to your March monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around a $17 expected move. If you go to April, right around a $20 expected move. So again, what are we looking at in here? The 164 level. We have to get that out of our way first. And then we're heading to this 9-day EMA, which is 168. Above that, hopefully we can get to the 175s and this 178 area. Support wise, it's going to be this lower trend line at the 160s, 159 area, but we might be setting up shop here at the 161s until then, just to get a little bit of consolidation, bring this RSI down just a little bit. And again, earnings next Monday, $6 expected move by this Friday's expiration. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.